Alright, we're gonna go in here and have a little bite to eat for lunch at Brownie's. We were gonna go down to a taco place, but it's a little too far and we want to get set up for the evening before it gets dark. So we're gonna go in here and have a little bite to eat. Cute little place. Very old looking. Oh, a bit about Brownie. Well, it looks like they got quite a lot of stuff on the menu here to choose from. And it's a pretty popular place, you guys. So let's see if they got good food. What do you think? What are you gonna have?
Figured it out. Oh, maybe I'll get that right there. Oh, kids menu. Gosh darn it.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Just so you're not confused, when you see the early dinner special, is because they close at 3 o'clock. And actually that's lunch and dinner, right?
I'm full now, I'll say that much.
I wouldn't be able to eat dinner at this point. So we are heading out to go see, oh, I thought I had your glasses on. We're gonna go out and, to BLM land, and we're gonna see if we can find Carolyn. So we are off to see the wizard. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. All right, we found Aja and part of the group. We are not going to head off with them, though. They are going up to the hot springs with a bunch of people. And Scott and I are going to go find Jimmy and Carolyn and the rest of that little group. And kind of stick around here because we have some things we want to do later on this week. So, that's what we're going to do. And we kind of want to get out on BLM land and not in the casino parking lots. So, okay. See you guys on the road.
My little dinner, it's just a tiny little Honda. No, this will be great. If I can, I'll just plug that thing in and let it run for a little bit and seal it up.
So what are you doing, Scott?
I'm going to charge up the battery.
Why?
Well,
we're going to try and see if we can get her,
see if it can come up to power.
Oh,
It's acting like there's a dead cell in the brand new battery.
okay.
And so that's what we're gonna try to figure out, why.
Okay.
And if I can charge it with using a regular home charger where we can see what it's doing, as to this, which is not very much of anything.
Scott's not so happy with his little tiny solar system now.
Well, then it'd be loud over there. I was just gonna set it kind of more so right over here by Carolyn.
We can go as far away.
Well, I don't want to. Yeah, because
Okay,
maybe on the backside of
by my place, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've been having some problems with draining our battery. I mean, we haven't had any luck with it just staying charged for how long? I mean, it's just...
It just seems to go down really fast, and
real fast.
I think it's a bad battery, even though it's brand new.
Right.
But brand new things still
right
can be not good.
Okay. What are you making?
Some more popcorn.
Some more? You want to show them what our popcorn maker, how it makes popcorn?
Pretty easy. You take the little cup, pour a little bit of popcorn in there.
Okay.
Fill the cup up a little bit.
Okay.
I already added some butter.
Which I don't use because I don't like butter on my popcorn, but
I do.
I know.
So then you plug it in.
Okay.
And you kind of run.
Kind of run? What? Why?
might take your
Okay,
eyeball
wait. Watch. This is what happens when Scott makes popcorn.
This is a butterfly. It takes a little bit.
Wait for it.
So it takes a little bit. But it does get a lot of seeds though, don't cook, but
A what?
seeds.
Seeds? Popcorn, you mean?
Popcorn
They're not
seeds.
seeds. It's not seeds. Oh, don't throw it back in there. So those are popcorn kernels.
Oh, kernel, yeah.
And you don't throw them back in there because they have butter and salt or no popcorn stuff on it.
Now I do that.
Okay.
That will have some seasoning. I don't think this one got open.
Okay.
Oh, this one got open. But you have to add some butter because otherwise this stuff does not stick. Uh-oh, it's going to get crazy now.
See, I just put it on there and I don't worry about the butter because I never have put butter on popcorn really.
It's looking okay right now. Now I'm going to back up. It's going to get dangerous now.
I'm not sure what kind of popcorn maker this is, but I don't recommend it.
No, it cooks about 70%. You got to watch your eyeball.
Be careful.
Recommended to have glasses on.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, this one is doing a little bit better than the last one. Maybe you were putting too much in it. Yeah, maybe you were putting too
Still got
much.
it all over the floor.
This one didn't do it. I think Scott was just putting too much popcorn in there.
No.
Yep, I think that's what was happening.
You load this thing up. So I wouldn't put, it says how much to put in there.
Maybe it's because, maybe it's because you're supposed to heat it up, because that's the second time that you've tried to make popcorn. So maybe you're supposed to heat it up. Did you read the directions?